Hey guys, thanks for tuning into my channel. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the post notification so that you are alerted every time I upload a video. I wanted to plug that in the beginning for those of you who can't really hang around to watch the video all the way through to the end. I'm here today to share with you guys, for those of you who are interested in knowing, I get asked the question often, why did you start your YouTube channel? Along with what is it that you hope to get out of your YouTube channel? If you're interested in knowing the answer to both of these questions, stick around. So let's get into it. I previously shared this with you guys before on a few of my other uploaded videos that I started my YouTube channel simply for the purpose of journaling my lock journey. I've been on YouTube for a while. I love watching hair tutorials. I love watching makeup tutorials. And guys, I just started doing my makeup a year ago. I had not worn makeup my entire life. So I just started roughly a year and a half ago. I don't feel confident enough to come and give you guys any type of eyebrow tutorials. I know how to do my own eyebrows. Don't feel confident enough to come and share with you guys how I beat my face because I'm not an MUA. So my reason for starting initially was simply just to journal my lock journey, to be able to go back and see my progress, see my growth, guys. You guys that follow me know that I do journal in a physical journal. I wanted to have a video journal where I can go back and look 2, 3, 4, 5 years from now and see my humble beginnings. So it wasn't for any purpose but to journal my lock journey and to be able to come back and see where I started. You know how we do when we journal. We like to go back periodically and be reminded of where it is that we came from. So that was the sole purpose of me uploading videos to my YouTube channel, because like I said, I've been on YouTube since 2007. I had a TWA, a little tiny afro, and I think I did 2 videos on my channel at that particular time where I showed how I maintained my TWA, and I also showed a couple of twist outs and Bantu knot videos. I really didn't start uploading and getting serious about YouTube until I started my lock journey, and even then guys, it was just for the sole purpose of me being able to go back or help a few people who may have questions with regard to starting their own lock journey. But what had happened was, I started to meet a lot of great people, even some people whose videos I've been watching for years, sisters in the lock community, encouraging me on my journey and things of that nature, and also dropping in my ear that you have a way of sharing with people. So you may want to look at this as something a little bit more than just you journaling your journey. You might want to look at it as something you can do to really help people and really be an influencer. So guys, here we are, fast forward. It was around maybe August or September of last year that I really started getting serious about my YouTube channel and making it more than just a personal journal, but being able to encourage people on their own personal journeys as well. Those of you that follow me know that I started keying into fasting. I share the ups, the downs, the highs, the lows, and all of that. And so I get a lot of questions with regards to that as well. And I began to meet a lot of great people, networking and connecting with a lot of great people. So now my purpose for my YouTube channel is just to influence as many people as I can to be their authentic self, to be who they are purposed to be, and to just be true to themselves. I love doing this, and then even in my life off camera, this is just what I've done my entire life, guys. So it's not anything complicated with me being to sit in front of a camera and to just encourage somebody to be all that you desire to be. Push for what you believe in with regards to yourself, your life, your purposes, your journeys, and all of that. I'm excited about where I'm going, and I am going somewhere. I'm going somewhere with it. And I'm decreeing that because I can see the lives that I've been touching with regards to just sharing a little bit about myself and my hair, and that's it. I have people asking me now about makeup. I have no idea as to where to start to even begin to share with you about makeup, because like I said, I know how to do my makeup and I'm still learning in that area. I started doing makeup a year and a half ago, and here we are today, guys, and I am yet learning how to do my own makeup. Who knows, somewhere down the line, guys, I may start implementing makeup tutorials for those who are starting on their makeup journey and can be relatable to not really feeling confident about being able to apply it in front of people. Because right now, guys, I don't really feel confident enough to come and show you a makeup tutorial, but hey, there's somebody sitting at home right now looking for a YouTube channel who may not feel confident about what it is that they're doing currently with regards to their makeup regimen. So, I'm just excited about being able to influence people on a small scale, and I'm looking forward to being able to do that on a broader scale. And I am putting that out into the atmosphere because this is where I see myself going. As many people as I can. I want to support as many people as I can. I want to uplift as many people as I can. I want to push as many people as I can. And that's my purpose for being on YouTube, to encourage, to push, to build, and all of that good stuff, guys. And I'm just grateful for all of you guys who've connected with me, who are pushing me and encouraging me to be the best version of myself that I could be. I know there's people sitting back in the background who think they know me. You know how we got folk out here that think they know you, think they really know you, but have no clue. So I'm not interested in giving any type of energy to naysayers, haters, or anything like that. I'm here to put out positive vibes. That's my purpose. So I started my YouTube channel for one reason, and I ended up here, guys. Who knows what we're going to evolve into? We can go as far as we purpose to go. Period. As always, loves, I appreciate your presence on my channel. Please give this video a thumbs up, guys. Like, comment, smash the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the post notification so that you'll be alerted when I upload my videos, guys. And come on, you know how I like to do. Let's dialogue in the comment section. Let's engage in the comment section. And let's continue to get to know one another, okay? And I will see your beautiful faces in the next video.